Kenza agenda bawo nenga jide mu kifaananyi kyaki tagenda kuyimba azze ku associatinga n'abantu basiraamu banne kati Kenza agambe banaye kahawa kakutunda hijabu tukayambe tutya awo wajja kwata Nyamutoro tandika okumwambaza ki hijabu oba kitegeera. So we are not doing anything outside Islam. Banange teri alcohol teri muziki ekinene nnyo musubire mataali kaswida but bonna ba celebrity buli gwomanyi omusiraamu omanyi ne dance queen mbu musiraamu naye agenda bayo nenga ayambadde ki ayagala ku associatinga naki n'abasiraamu banne kuba big alese ekintu ekitugattanga ki tetutunuulidde ono muyimbi agenda ono akunama onani no ne Rema namakula bw'abajja agenda kugira mu ki ekifaananyi kyagenda okwambala that very day it is halal and it is Islamic. Yes, please. Of course. Halal. Esawa zineno Kenzo waba yachadde mu family ya Nyamutoro. It is halal. Kenzo akiriza bakato tambula ne mukyala we wonna wabera yagadde. Era honorable Nyamutoro tugenda kwaniriza nnyo. Tugenda showcasinga bwe hijabu botarabanga ko tulina hijabu okuva mitwalo 3 even 1 million hijabs we have them. Bwegenda jambala wekanga honorable. Era tusaba ojje otuwagire kuba twagala twejjeyo nga ki abasiraamu abya omanyere gye mugenda basanga yoze ndi team Rema ndi team Kenzo ba muli team ki ffe tuli team busiraamu team busiraamu musiraamu tumwagala musiraamu aba Muganda affe Nyamutoro yaleeteddwa Muganda affe omuki era naye aba Muganda affe muwa erinnya lisumula team social media era ze bani yagala atambulire mu R. Rahma Rahima nzagoge mwagali era kuba era kiri close to Rehema
to mujja ku Islamic Halal Brush again obela ku 4 Points by Sheraton on 14th of this very month ku Sunday. Nze CEO Hawa Hijabs no wamuneba nange
CEO Dubai UG Express Mariam.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bapita Hawa CEO Stylish Trends nga tukolaganidde wamu ne Hawa Hijabs UG okulabanga abantu mwenna mujja ku Islamic Halal Branch nga twagala tubambaze buli obwambalo obwa modesty obulungi obuli unique obuli halal nga tubatereddeko accessories oyagala kagato oyagala ensawo oyagala jewelry kwegamba obere ng'oli outstanding ku branch byonna wano Hawa Hijabs UG nga akolaganye wamu naffe aba Stylish Trends ku accessories byonna mujje mubisange wano ku la branch.
Okay. So in Songanze, right here I've been part of the branch. Nambe mubanange ekintu kyetugenda ofuna mu eno branch, it is networking. We as Muslims, we are going to network with other people, with other Muslims. For example, we can name over a few. We are going to have Eddie Kenzo, but it's going to come as Idrisa Musuza, being a Muslim, a Janga Musiramu. So what I see the most beneficial things is to get funamu. We are going to network with different people. I hear ham agenda kubera yo because it's part of us. Nazenga ham, tazenga ham oligo tumanyi. As they associating n'abana abasiramu abawala abato. Abakola business amanye what are our challenges? What are we facing? We as Muslims. We as young Muslims abatandika businesses. Balange you all out there, young entrepreneurs, this is our chance. This is a great opportunity. This is the chance. Big events jatutereddewo, the branch, the Halal Muslim branch, again on the 14th. This very Sunday at 4 Points by Sheraton at only 200,000. I don't miss out. We are going to social network. We have been seeing some people on TV like tofunangana chance mtu kidira kogera kona ye talking to him yatandika atya how hijabs. We have all of us who have seen how we're coming up.
Exactly.
Twagala tumanyi how yatandika atya how I maintain this atya hijab business. How wanga atya hijab business but halalically you people ekintu kiri halal tetulikola haram anywhere it is halal. Halal let me assume it is an outing. It is an Islamic outing. Because if you hear the word branch chitegeza, it is a delightful way of connecting with other people as we are going to connect with different people. Ngawino tunywa kachai, wetulia ka buffet, types of juice.
Everything is going to be halal. The foods, the dress code, bulichimu, it's going to be presented Islamically. So guys, please come on Sunday, 14th July, at 4 Points by Sheraton. Muwagire bambi big events. Mujje mubungi, mujje mulabe abantu abenjawulo, abasiraamu, bonna be mubadde mutameetingako physically. We get to network with them, we see how different people have been doing business over the years. Bambi tubasaba busabi mujje. Our hijab is going to be showcasing her modesty wear as well. So Bambi
and so many other hijabs.
And so many hijabis.
Also, by the way, hijabis banje abagenda obera. I was very happy okubanti batwadde platform eno fena ba hijabis. Abana abasilamu ya tuli bandi
it's going to be the first of its kind. Exactly. So please come in big numbers. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And Islamically we can make it,
Sure.
We as Muslims we have been lacking things like this.
Yeah.
We have been lacking platforms like this. We hear some other platforms which go on, but now this is halal. It is Islamic. It is for us Muslims. It is for us
there
Muslims.
are some people who have been asking, church again obela exactly. Ojja kubeera ngo inayo ka business ko jangu otandike na okuyisa business cards fena mbantwe tutandika okubanga fena twemanya tumuna wali atunda kachai munako musiramu. Okitegera wali alina engoye endala zakola kizatunda mujje ebyokuna bigenda beerayo ebyokulya mwenna abagala tickets by the way nziina waneeno za mitwalo 2 gokka bwe gati. So tubasaba bambi mujje mu bungi.
Mubeereyo inshallah on the 14th this very Sunday 4 Points by Sheraton at exactly 1 p.m. at only 200,000. A buffet is on, all drinks, halal food, halal drinks only. So inshallah we can do request when every Muslim out there, every hijabi, even if you're not a hijabi,
by there you can
just come.
Exactly.
We know more about our religion.
Exactly.
We get to interact with other different people,
Exactly.
business partners. But we're going to even to make business deals out of this.
True.
Yes, so it's better. Woli nagamba going for the contract. How we're supplying there, guno muziki misalo. Everyone is going to be there. Just know every Muslim is going to be there. Mosque owners, hijab owners. This lady is going to be there, jewelry owners. So let us combine and push it up with the Muslims. We need this. We as Muslims. This is our best opportunity, our best chance Biggie has given us. So guys, Banange, halal is always the perfect thing. Allah blesses. Allah is going to bless this day, and Allah is going to bless every business which has contributed, whoever sponsored, whoever has done anything for us. Thank you so much, but trust me, if you miss out, you're missing out at your own risk. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Osobola okujja tukuwelcoming ati tulina buzibu. You only buy a ticket.
200,000 and you dress modestly.
Let me tell you this. Ochimani, we have non-Muslims selling hijab.
Yeah.
But
Yes,
we
have.
even have customers
that are
abajanga
not
si
Muslims,
Muslim,
yes.
but ngagala kwambala bintu by'abasiraamu. Yeah. So everyone is welcomed.
How are you?
Tuli wano ku Grand Corner level 8. Tulina office ku Grand Corner level 8, shop number 564. Yokayoka we tuli. Yeah. And platforms tuliko ku Instagram ne ku TikTok kukolesela hawa hijabs yugi. Wenzo okunsangele namba nziteekayo zonna abagala engoye zonna amakanzu obw'abaana byonna deliveries nzikola buli kimu inshallah. Tusosola naye kenyini yatuwadde essanyu nti yayitidde mu baana abasiraamu abatunda engoye kwegamba nze mbadde simanyikiddwa naye alina embeera nti gyantaddemu okuba nti ngenda kumanyikuwa kati abantu abamu ababadde tebakola ki ababadde tebamanyi kuba yantuukira nange neŋŋamba mu mazima ddala limi support a fellow Muslim okitega naye si kuba nti tusosola but yatuyambyeko naffe okuvaayo gye tuli
kati okugatta ku kyono kyayogedde let me tell you this Allah yatugamba nungamye eyo bwembanjagadde when I talked to Biggie by the way, at first I saw the posters around, I saw it from you, but I was like, you know. But when I talked to her, she was like, njagala kudda ku kintu kiri halal. Okitegeera. So musiramu munnamwe bw'avaayo ng'abadde alina shows z'akola, which were non-Islamic. Nagamba, let me introduce an Islamic show. Okitegeera, we had to pick interest very fast. Tubeere naye, twegatte naye kuba obusiraamu kye butugamba. Musiramu munnamwe Allah bw'amusaasira n'ajja ekigere wano n'abuuka n'adda wano mumunywerereko mukole ki kati ffe twasanyuse nnyo Biggie okubanga ziri zonna z'abadde sponsoring I know they were alcoholic whatsoever avuddeyo n'agamba kanzire mu kkubo lya Katonda ki lya Katonda wange you get so we had to come out because obusiraamu tuli wamu ate tutambula n'omuntu yadde abadde ne weak areas ze ne right now Allah alikola ki ali kumujjayo amulage nti nno naffe abasiraamu musobola era Allah Biggie agenda kulaga mbu eno halal branch gy'okoze egenda beera successful esinga n'ebintu byonna by'obadde okola.
Okay,
because it's halal.
Kyekinyumo kye nagambe kye tulina.
Kale mukola
banange assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi banaye tubasaba mujje muwagire Biggie events mujje ku halal Muslim branch. First of all njagala mpisawo eno information nayo banange my people abantu abatuwagidde banaye abakasitoma abasinga muvudde wala omuntu nayambuka amadala ng'ajja ku level 8 anoonya hawa hijabs banange I don't take you for granted. Thank you so much for supporting me era mbasaba mujje tugule tickets mujje mundabe we showcase hijabs inshallah bi'idhni rahman saba Allah abangwiriza abatere mubaraka abatere n'obwangu
namwe abafunira abasajja abalungi nga
abamu tuli bafumbo abamu tuli tamale tulai barakati
muri bafumbo ate baliyo bana ababiri bafumbo muri bafumbo bakakira kubao.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi bange na joli wema
n'erinnya lye ekyo kiri alamu obutogera linya
kale kamwogere
amwogere
omwami wange Seka Yunus Muhammad Muyanja nnyo webale kumbeererawo webale kusapotinga
tudde saidi zeeri tudde saidi
zedi singo
tuwoba oli singo nange
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh wayi banange CEO Dubai UG Express banaye nze ntikakago all over the country abasinga bamanyi nenga tuyanza nnyo support gye tumwanaye nga akasembayo my guys all Muslims out there please don't miss out on the 14th this very Sunday at 4 Points by Sheraton only 200,000 banange mujje bungi mujje mwenna naye tuyanza nnyo obuwagizi bwe tumuwa bwe mutuwa mwenna saba Allah mwenna bangweze mwenna abanyizeewo